Hi, Billy Sprays here for Kleen-Rite and the HYDROVAC2. This incredible unit is the convenient, cost-effective pit pumping solution that you've been looking for. Operators know that cleaning out pits is one of the most annoying aspects of running a car wash. Shoveling by hand is messy, time-consuming, and requires you to have a bay out of operation for a significant period of time. Quite frankly, it's the pits. Alternative methods aren't great either. You can buy a clamshell pit cleaner or other large piece of equipment, or you can hire a service to get rid of your pit sludge. The problem is both of those options mean money is escaping your pocket. Now there's a better way. The HydroVac2 is a powerful industrial vacuum cleaner that plugs into standard outlets and easily attaches to a construction-grade 6-foot cubic wheelbarrow to create a lean, mean, portable sucking machine. It easily lifts water, sludge, wet leaves, sand, and mud using a vacuum hose with extension wands and various nozzles and tools. That means cleaning is efficient and reaching tight, awkward spots is a breeze. Waste is immediately dropped into the wheelbarrow. Once it's full, you simply transport it to your preferred disposal area. Swiftly remove loads of grime until you're left with a clean, fresh pit. And that's not all. The HydroVac2 is not limited to pit cleaning. It's similar to a wet-dry vac that you have in your shop, only it's faster and more powerful. So you can use it for general cleanup around your property for things like leaves, spilled water, and mud. You can access tight corners, clogged pipes, and other hard-to-reach areas since you're using a hose instead of hand shoveling or scooping with an excavator. It's even incredibly effective as a concrete slurry or pool vacuum if you want to utilize it for construction and non-car wash use. For pit cleaning and beyond, make the HydroVac2 your new secret weapon.
Kleen-Rite.